Look, unless you like numb fingers and stock grips that feel like you're shaking hands with a brick, it's time for an upgrade. Swapping out these factory-installed torture devices for some proper vibration dampening grips isn't just a comfort thing, it's a sanity thing. Trust me, your throttle hand deserves better. This is the throttle upgrade you didn't know you needed. And if you try it, you'll wonder, how did I ever rode without it? And as always, let's ride. There are upgrades you plan for: exhaust, suspension, lighting. Grips? Most riders overlook them, but if you ever ended a ride with tingling fingers or numb palms, you know quickly how a minor detail can ruin an otherwise perfect ride. So I took a shot at something different. So what are they? Avon memory foam grips. That's the name. And honestly, they don't sound like much until you put them on the bike and ride with them. The first thing I noticed after the swap wasn't visual. It was the texture. The grips felt different the minute I wrapped my hands around them. A little softer, a little bit more forgiving. Then I fired up the engine, took off down the road, and realized what I have been missing. Cushion control. The material gives you a flexible, pressure adaptive surface that conforms to your shape. It's a subtle change that adds up fast, especially when you're holding steady throttle for a long distance. You grip the bars less tightly, which means fewer cramps and less fatigue. Real vibration damping. Where stock grips tend to send the vibration from your engine to your handlebars, to your hands, to your arms, these cut the edge off. It's not like riding in a cloud. You still feel the bite, but the harsh, high-frequency sting, gone. Dialed in looks, chrome or black end caps, clean lines, and optional tips, they look sharp without trying too hard. Whether your bike is a full diner brawler or lean and mean West Coast style, these grips blend right in. What sets them apart is choice, something other grip manufacturers rarely do. Most brands go with a single diameter and assume it'll work for everyone. Avon gives you three: small, 1.375 inch, tight and precise, great for smaller hands or riders who want max throttle feedback. Medium, 1.5 inches, the all-around choice, not too bulky, not too thin. This is what most riders end up loving. Large, 1.625 inches, big and cushy, ideal for riders with larger hands or those using thicker gloves year-round. That sizing matters more than you think. The right fit gives you better throttle control and more comfort without adding any complexity to the install. The trade-offs. This isn't a best thing ever story. There are always trade-offs. Pros: noticeable comfort increase on long rides. Sizing options let you fine-tune the feel. Clean aesthetics that doesn't scream aftermarket. No slip texture in rain or heat. Cons: foam texture may feel different at first if you are used to hard rubber. Installation can be a bit tricky if you over-tighten your throttle housing. Not for riders who want a firm grip feel. But for me, the comfort trade-off is absolutely worth it, especially since it doesn't come at the cost of performance or feedback. Real rider feedback. These aren't just some specs on the box. Riders consistently report that Avon grips change the feel of the bike. On long rides, they reduce fatigue. In tight traffic, they give you much better throttle control. The grip texture also remains consistent in heat, cold, and rain. No slipping, no surprises. In short, they're a low-cost, high-impact upgrade that improves comfort, control, and the look of your handlebar, all in one move. You won't brag about them on bike night, but after 300 miles, you won't shut up about them either. If you like videos like this, hit the subscribe and like button. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified when I put out new videos. I'll see you in this next video. Catch you there.